everyone, it's Bubbles from venomfluidart. Thank you for joining us on another amazing adventure on our Fluid Art Express with our special guests starting us off every week. And this week we had the amazing Meshka from the whimsical Fluid Artist. She is just an exceptional artist. Absolutely love her. So I hope you enjoyed what she had for us today. And today we're going to do a little adventure with a radial swipe in the centre, and we're going to get our comb out, do some comb overs. But I will share, because these effects here, which you will see me paint in a minute, really cool with the colours. So I suggest anyone, get yourself some Hammerhead by this little piggy. Get yourself some, this one is actually, it looks brown and ugly, but damn, what it does to other colours is super, super cool. That one is Mink by the Mighty Pearl-X. And then you must get yourself some Sapphire by this little piggy. Get yourself some Taffy, this little piggy. And then I actually use, this one's called Nebula.
Yep.
Really cool colour. That is by Eye Candy. So you can see it's got that gold tinge. So once that hits with the Hammerhead and the Mink, gives you these really cool earthy effects. They're gorgeous. And then of course I use a little bit of Mermaid by this little piggy, and Rainbow Green. That one is by Eye Candy. So I thought I'd go out of the box today and give you some colours. So go me. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put on some tunes. Wombat's going to light it up for me, and we are going to have some fun. So kick back and I'll see you at the end.
How's your day been? Good to see your face. How you doing? Tell me your story. I just wanna have a conversation. I just wanna make a friend or two. I'm not trying to change your mind. All I'm trying to do is be nice. Cause life's already hard enough, and you don't gotta act so tough all the time. Be nice, cause we all gotta deal with stuff, and everybody needs a hug sometimes. Be nice. Be nice. We're all sharing this great big world, so let's take care of everybody. I just wanna have a conversation. I just wanna make a friend or two. I'm not trying to change your mind. All I'm trying to do is be nice. Cause life's already hard enough, and you don't gotta act so tough all the time. Be nice. Cause we all gotta deal with stuff, and everybody needs a hug sometimes. Be nice. Be nice. Be nice. Be nice. is gasoline. I'm catching on fire like you never seen. I'm catching on fire. My voice is gasoline. I'm catching on fire like you never seen. I'm catching on fire. My voice is gasoline. I'm catching on fire like you never seen. I'm catching on fire. My voice is gasoline. I'm catching on fire like you never seen. I'm catching on fire. My voice is gasoline. I'm catching on fire like you never seen. I was born for the war, I was born for the battle, battle. Let the cannons ring and the thunder rattle, rattle. You won't see a white flag lifting up from me. When the smoke clears, it's me that you see. I love the fight. I love the fight. eyes of the flesh. Please don't keep me waiting. I'm losing my grip. Denial is overrated. Give into this. Just think of you, me, us, we all hot, heavy. You, me, us, we pure lust instinct. You, me, us, we all hot, heavy. We got that chemistry, mixture of you and me. I'm on a high dose of emotion, our chemical, our potion. Got that chemistry, chemistry. Never catch me changing your timeless effect. Together we're unshaken in our element.
Alright guys, well, I think that's it for me this week. My little, looks like sort of a pond, doesn't it? When you used to play in the rock pools when you were younger. That's what I'm sort of seeing. Pretty darn cool. I love how that wave effect around the outside from the comb turned out. I'm pretty stoked with that. But once again, I'd love to thank my amazing friend. I was so glad that I come across her in this world, Meshka from the whimsical fluid artist. She is just amazing. And if you haven't subscribed to her channel, please do, because I just think she is one exceptional person, and definitely one I will be keeping as a friend for life. I love you, girl. So next up after me today, we have the dynamic duo, my big brother and my amazing big sister, Tony and Kat Pender from the Hippy Dippy Painter Man. So come on over. The Fluid Art Express never ever finishes till we have our amazing caboose. So that's it from me, guys. I'm pretty stoked with that one, to be honest. I had a little happy day. It's like woo woo woo. So yeah. Alright then. So moving right along. Fair enough. Have a great day. Thank you for watching, and as always, take care, stay safe, and I will see you in the next one. Have a fantastic day. Thanks for watching. Have fun.